everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. How are you today? I hope you're all healthy and happy. Today, we're going to make a fresh, healthy, and super delicious drink, strawberry banana juice. The combination of the sweet and tangy taste of strawberries with the creamy texture of bananas makes this juice even tastier and more filling. This juice is perfect for a healthy breakfast, a midday snack, or even as a refreshing drink after an activity, especially when served cold. Just imagine how refreshing it is. Oh, and later, I'll also share some tips on how to choose perfectly ripe strawberries and bananas so the juice turns out even better. So don't skip it. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients needed: 8 to 10 fresh strawberries, washed and hulled, 1 ripe banana, cut into small pieces, 2 to 3 tablespoons sweetened condensed milk or yogurt, optional, 200 milliliters cold water or milk, based on preference, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or sugar, optional for extra sweetness. Tools needed: 1 blender, 1 knife and cutting board, 1 serving glass, 1 strainer, optional for a smoother texture. The ingredients are super easy to find, right? Strawberries and bananas are the perfect combination. Not only delicious, but also full of health benefits. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help boost the immune system, while bananas contain potassium and fiber that support digestion and provide long-lasting energy. So, this juice is not just tasty, but also nutritious. If all the ingredients are ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Choosing and preparing the fruits. Before we start blending, I want to share some tips on choosing perfectly ripe strawberries and bananas to make the juice taste even better. For bananas, choose ones with yellow skin and a few brown spots. This means they are perfectly ripe and soft, making them great for blending. Remove the strawberry leaves, then cut the strawberries in half to make blending easier. Peel the banana and cut it into small pieces so it blends smoothly. Benefits of bananas: contains potassium, which is good for heart health. Provides quick energy due to natural carbohydrates. Helps digestion. Great for diets because it keeps you full longer. For strawberries, pick ones that are bright red all over. Avoid those with white or green areas as they might still taste sour. Wash the strawberries under running water, then soak them briefly in salt water or vinegar to remove dirt and pesticides. Benefits of strawberries: high in vitamin C to strengthen the immune system. Contains antioxidants that are great for skin health. Helps maintain heart health. Good for digestion due to natural fiber content. All ready? Now let's move on to blending. Step 3. Blending. Put the chopped strawberries and bananas into the blender. Add cold water or milk, depending on your preference. If you want it sweeter, add honey or sugar. Add ice cubes for a more refreshing taste. Blend everything until smooth and well mixed. This is the most exciting part. Let's start blending. Make sure all the ingredients are in. Then turn on the blender and let it run until the texture is perfectly smooth. While waiting, let me tell you a bit about this strawberry banana juice and why these two fruits are a great choice. Juice is a drink made from the natural liquid extracted from fruits and vegetables. It can also refer to flavored liquids made from concentrates or other biological food sources. Juice characteristics: rich in vitamins and minerals, has a refreshing taste, boosts the immune system, helps fight disease-causing viruses. Why choose bananas and strawberries? Bananas come from the Musa spp plant, which belongs to the Musaceae family. They grow well in tropical and subtropical climates. Banana characteristics: large herbaceous plant with long, wide leaves. Soft trunk formed from overlapping leaf sheaths. Has fibrous roots concentrated around the plant's base. Strawberries, Fragaria x ananasa dupe, are red-skinned fruits with tiny white seeds on the surface. They turn red when ripe and belong to the Rosaceae family. Strawberry characteristics: soft, slightly fibrous flesh. Strong, pleasant aroma. Small-sized fruit with an attractive color. Why is strawberry banana juice a great choice? Perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors. High in fiber, good for digestion. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals. A great alternative for a healthy breakfast or snack. Ideal for diets, low in calories but filling. Okay, the juice is smooth. If you prefer a superfine texture, you can strain it before serving. Step 4. Straining and serving. If you prefer a smoother texture, strain the juice using a fine strainer. If you like the natural texture, pour it straight into a serving glass. Garnish with sliced strawberries or bananas. Add a mint leaf for extra freshness. Wow, look at that color! The combination of the bright red from strawberries and the creamy texture from bananas makes this juice look so tempting. To make it even more attractive, you can add some fruit slices on top or a little mint leaf. You can drink it right away or chill it in the fridge for an even cooler taste. Step 5. Closing. Yay! Our strawberry banana juice is ready. It's super refreshing, healthy, and absolutely delicious. This juice is perfect for those of you who want a healthy yet tasty drink. You can enjoy it anytime. As a breakfast drink, a healthy snack, or even after a workout to restore your energy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so I can keep making more amazing recipes. If you try making this at home, let me know in the comments. You can also experiment by adding other ingredients like yogurt or chia seeds for a more unique texture. See you in the next video. Enjoy your fresh and healthy strawberry banana juice.